Statute 605.0207, except as otherwise provided in Section 605.0208 and subject to Section 605.02093, any document delivered to the Department for filing under this chapter may specify an effective time and a delayed effective date. In the case of initial articles of organization, a prior effective date may be specified in the articles of organization if such date is within 5 business days before the date of filing, subject to Sections 605.0114, 605.0115, 605.0208, and 605.0209, a record filed by the Department is effective. 1. If the record filed does not specify an effective time and does not specify a prior or a delayed effective date, on the date and at the time, the record is accepted as evidence by the Department's endorsement of the date and time on the filing. 2. If the record filed specifies an effective time, but not a prior or delayed effective date, on the date the record is accepted, as evidenced by the Department's endorsement and at the time specified in the filing. 3. If the record filed specifies a delayed effective date, but not an effective time, at 12:01 a.m. on the earlier of A. the specified date, or B. the 90th day after the record is filed. 4. If the record filed specifies a delayed effective date and an effective time at the specified time on or the earlier of A. the specified date, or B. the 90th day after the record is filed. 5. If the record filed is the initial articles of organization and specifies an effective date before the date of the filing, but no effective time, at 12:01 a.m. on the later of A. the specified date, or B. the 5th business day before the record is filed. 6. If the record filed is the initial articles of organization and specifies an effective time and an effective date before the date of the filing, at the specified time on the later of A. the specified date, or B. the 5th business day before the record is filed. 7. If the record filed does not specify the time zone or place at which the date or time, or both, is to be determined, the date or time, or both, at which it becomes effective shall be those prevailing at the place of filing in this state. We offer real estate, estate planning, probate, and business law. Call 321-206-3603 or visit easlerlaw.com to book a consultation. Offices in Melbourne, Florida. Virtual consultations worldwide.